So here we're going to have a look at Edit with PowerPoint. This is part of the new feature rolling out within Microsoft 365 Copilot. So firstly, what we're going to do is open up a template. This is just an empty template. We're going to have a look at Copilot over here. We can see we get the option here to allow editing or chat only. We're going to use editing. We can also choose the model that Copilot uses. So we can see we've got OpenAI models, ChatGPT and Claude. We can also change the image generation model because we can have image generation now directly within PowerPoint using GPT image or various other models which Microsoft will add to. So here I've got a prompt that I'm going to upload. I want to create a slide deck about autonomous vehicles, where they come from, early concepts, and I want to use this slide as the template for the presentation, which is just a stock Microsoft slide. So we're going to hit go and let this run. Now I am going to shorten the sequence slightly. It does take about 10 minutes to run all the way through. So I will just speed this up slightly at the stages as it runs through. So I'll just let this run. As always, you can see the planning stages behind what Copilot is doing in the work, so you can see how it's working. It has stopped and asked some questions. So it's asking me how long I want the presentation to be. It's giving me some guidance. I'm going to pick the middle one here. Who's it for? So I'm going to say it's general business, and then how do I want the slides? I'll say story driven and click confirm. So I'm just giving Copilot some guidance. Now it will do this if the prompt I've given it is unclear, or it decides as part of the reasoning that it can offer me some suggestions in the way it's going to build the slide decks out. And you'll see now as it walks through, it's kind of building the storyline, it's structuring the presentations, it's pulling information together, it's working this out in its memory essentially in the background, and you'll see it kind of pull things together, work out where the images go, reorder the slides. So as it goes, it's kind of using its working memory to do this before it actually applies those changes into the PowerPoint deck that we're creating. So it's quite interesting sometimes just to kind of watch what it's doing. And it's looking at slides and things, and almost done. And here we go. So this is now the deck that it's created. It's built me a 16 deck slide deck with some speaker notes as well. It's not bad, certainly better than what we saw before. Some of those images look a little bit skewed in the way it's put them in, partly probably due to the template that's been used. It wasn't probably the best template I could have used. Just wanted to pick one really to show an example, but I'll have a go and ask Copilot here to fix some of the imagery because some of it's a bit squashed. So we'll stick this in and see what it does. I always find it's really hard to type when you're recording yourself. You can't spell anything. Anyway, here we go. What we can see now is this is kind of walking through, working out what actions it needs to take. And hopefully what we'll see is when it gets to the end, we'll see that it has at least made some changes to this presentation in line. I'm just going to let this run through because, again, it can take a few minutes to do the work. Okay, so it has made some of those changes. There we go. So that's definitely better. But you can see here that we're just working in line with PowerPoint here, just asking it what to do, and it's going away and doing it. It's not super quick. I expect this will get quicker, but it is working with us to produce content. We can, of course, still go in and modify the slides as we need to. We still very much are in control. But again, we've got a really good first pass point of content that looks far better than we ever got before. So there we are. That's Edit with Copilot. Check it out. Let me know what you think in the comments. And as always, thank you for watching and good luck with your AI journey.